It's very common requirement when we are working with journal and in supporting projects or in implementation. So when we are creating the journal, we'll be using the ledger. Ledger means 4Cs: currency, calendar. Calendar means we can find here accounting date, and chart of accounting structure and compliance method. This is our chart of accounting structure. We have 5 segments, right? Company, 6 segments we got. Company, line of business, account, cost center, product, and company. So this account, we got some values here. Let's say we joined in the project and they have asked us, can you add one value for this account segment? Already we got some values. We would like to add one more value to this. How we can do it and what are the steps required? It's very simple. We know that this is one of the chart of accounting structure. Okay, but we are not able to see the name of chart of accounting structure here. I can see only the ledger name, US primary ledger. Can see only ledger name. Ledger name is there. Okay. So once we know the ledger name, then we can easily find what is the chart of accounting structure name. Once we are clear with chart of accounting structure, we can find what is the value set. This is nothing but value set, right? List of values. Okay. We will come to know what is the value set for this particular segment. Once you are clear with the segment value set, then we can go for add the value very easily. Let me just do that. Make sure that you got the access to FSM implementation environment. First, we have to go to ledger. Search for the ledger. Here we'll come to know what is the chart of accounting structure instance. This is our chart of accounting structure instance. Copy. Back to chart of accounting structure. First, search for accounting key flux field. Manage structure instances. Search your instance, then you will come to know what is your structure name. This is our structure instance code, and this is the structure name of accounting structure name. Once we are clear with the structure name, go to structures, search for the structure here, and we'll come to know total number of segments configured here. We want to work with the segment account. Right? Here you will come to know what is the value set assigned for the segment. Corporate account. Take the value set. Once we are clear with the value set, very simple. So we can go with the chart of accounting value set values. Search with your value set name. Manage values button. Click search button will come to know what values we have already. And I'm going to add another one here. One, two, three, double nine. I'm adding. Adding the expense account. I would like to go for allow posting, allow budgeting. It's an expense type of account. So that's how we will go for add. The client is supposed to give what code they want. The code can be either number or alpha, maybe a numeric or alphanumeric. We can have any of this value here. Okay. And description, whatever is required for the client, will go for add here and then go for save and close. Now we did same for any segment. For any segment, we have to identify whether it is company or account, sub-account, product or line of business or department. Any segment will do like this, adding the value. Let me just log out from here. Now let's go for it. Create journal here. And this current date, May 2024. Now we are going to add this. Now we can see that. This is the code and this is the description, whatever we have provided people. So this is how we can go for add the values to the segments, which we have already. It's very common requirement when we are working in the support project. If it is implementation, generally we'll do it at the time of creating the value set, chart of accounting setup itself. We'll try to create, or we can go for use the rapid implementation process for loading all these values. If there are only few values, we can enter. But if we look at account segment types, we will find a lot of values and that we'll try to load by using rapid implementation. Now we can choose this combination. So we'll enter the combination here. We can go for choose the value here. Looks like the instance is slow. All of a sudden. So this is how we will do the customizations of chart of accounting structure, adding the values in case of new values required for a particular